I see a lot of traders on social media avoiding Monday's trading because the market needs to settle down. It's prime time for manipulation. You need to sit out early week manipulation. Blah, blah, blah. That's complete nonsense. They just follow the crowd or whatever other people say instead of putting in the work and collect the data on their own. Whenever I talk to those people, they could never back up such a statement with statistical data, showing that Mondays aren't good. Mondays have a lot of nice movements intraday, just like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays do. Have you ever heard a CEO of a big company saying to his employees that they don't have to work on Mondays because the economy has to settle down from the weekend? What do you think? The CEO of Goldman Sachs tells their traders, hey, don't trade on Monday because there is an early week manipulation? Nonsense. I didn't. If you have a rule-based trading system, I am sure you will have a lot of Mondays where you could have missed crazy setups, just because some people say that Mondays are bad. But have you ever backtested it and collected the data for yourself? The DR data, for example, shows an average of 80% for DR being true in a regular trading session across a lot of markets on Mondays. And that's definitely something you can base your trading decisions on.